Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to tell you that how you can speak English. Okay, so today's topic is how to speak English. So English speaking is a very important for us. Okay, in these days, as you all know, English has become the most important language. You can also say this is our international language. Everyone, everywhere, English can be used to communicate from each other. So English is a very important language. So let's learn the steps to speak English language. Okay, let's go. Here I am going to share with you 5 steps to follow to speak English language. Okay, these 5 steps are very important. If you will follow this, then I can promise to you that you will be able to speak English language. Okay, so what are these 5 steps? Let's learn. Our first step will be make your fundamental strong. We can also say that make your foundation of learning English language strong. What are the foundation? Foundation can be your basic grammar, basic rules of making translation. Okay, these two basic vocabulary, and also try to pronunciate the sentence correctly. These are our basic fundamentals which helps a lot to speak English language. You have to work on these 4. We have a lot of resources which you can use to practice these basic grammar, basic translation rules, basic vocabulary, basic pronunciation. There are a lot of platforms online and also offline. There are very books. You can read those books. You can see videos on YouTube to practice your basic grammar. Okay, yes. Our second step is speak loudly, and every day speak loudly. Okay, when you speak loudly, you hear those words which you use in that particular video. Okay, so you can also make your vocabulary strong by this method. You have to follow this because this is an amazing step. You have to do this. Without this, I don't have any idea that you can speak English language. This is a very useful and important step for you. You have to follow this. And our third step is record yourself. Okay, like I am recording myself to see where I am doing mistake. This is not for you, this is not for anyone else. I am making video for myself to be improve myself. I don't want that you have to watch this video. It does not make sense that you watch it or you don't watch it. I am being improved and I will do it regularly so that this will help me to become more fluency, more confident, and also will help me to see where I do mistakes, and I will correct that thing which I mistake in first video, and I will make another video with very correct sentences. Okay, so it is not for you to watch and take steps. If you think this is beneficial for you, then watch it. I don't think that this will not help you. It will be beneficial for you if you will take seriously it. Okay, so this was our third step. What was the third step? Record yourself. When you will record yourself, you will be forced to speak. You will be forced to be confident. You will be forced to try another way on which topic you have to speak. This is also a very great thing. You have to do this. Record yourself and watch it later very carefully. Okay. You can also use flashcards. What does mean by flashcards? For example, this is our sticky notes. Okay. Here you can write simple sentences, a very complex vocabulary, a grammar formula you can write on this, and you can practice every time when you want. So use flashcards and be confident, my friend. And our fourth step is, if it is possible, then find a friend whose native language is English. Okay, that person will help you a lot to become more confident, to become a good speaker, because their native language is this. As you know, native language is very strong for a person. So try to connect with a native speakers. You can connect with those persons online. There are a lot of tutors with whom you can practice. Okay, you can also go offline. There are also a lot of persons who teach offline classes. You have to go for a native speaker. That will help you to become a good speaker. Okay, yes. And our last step is for fifth step, and that is please be patient. Learning a language takes time, effort, and discipline, consistency. You have to be consistent to speak this language. Not only English language, any language you want to learn, you have to be consistent. You have to be disciplined for that language. You have to also be very passionate about that. And also very important thing, please be patient. Don't be panic, because learning English is not easy. It will take time, it will take many efforts, and also it will take time. Okay, so these are our steps for today's video. I hope that it will help you a lot. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.